Welcome to another episode of Sunday Morning Builds with Bricksntech. Now, last episode we did the groom. Set number 40384 came with 255 pieces. This week we're doing the bride. Now, the bride comes with 306 pieces, which I thought was interesting, but we'll work out where those extra pieces are. This is set number 40383. It will be a speed build, and then I will come back and do a review after that. So please hang around, and if you like this content, don't forget to subscribe, as it would really help the channel and be greatly appreciated. All right, time to get into this. Open up the contents, see what we've got. 4 packets and the instruction booklets. Excellent. All right, let's get into it. Thank you for hanging around, and if you like the content, please don't forget to subscribe to the channel. So the speed build was for the bride, and I actually found this really interesting because the base was a completely different build to the previous Brickheadz that I've done, and that was really enjoyable. Good to see something a little bit different. Apart from that, a lot of pieces in this, 306, and a lot not used. So that's the finished product, and there's a lot of options that I could make, or I could adjust the color of the flowers, the color of the skin tone as well. So as you could with the groom, but to give you an idea, these are all the pieces that are left from the bride. Quite a lot, but I actually think that is a good thing, because if you've watched my review of the groom, in that I said I think this would be a great starter set for anyone starting out with Brickheadz builds. You get plenty of leftover pieces in both of these sets. Both sets are uniquely different in how they're constructed, and plenty of room to experiment, to play around with, to customize with the leftover pieces between both of them. You wouldn't be able to build an extra brickhead because there are certain pieces that you don't have additional of, but what a great starter set for a Brickheadz collection. And I would highly recommend that if you haven't got Brickheadz yet, that these would be the two to start with. So the bride and groom, sets number 40383 and 40384. In Australia, these retail for $20. And a welcome addition to my collection. And if you haven't watched the previous one, which is the groom here, I did say in that this doesn't actually have a Brickheadz number, where all the other Brickheadz do have an actual Brickheadz number. So that's it. That's my review of these two, the bride and the groom. Very enjoyable builds. Thank you for hanging around and watching this, and please join me again for Sunday Morning Builds with Bricksntech.